Let's construct right angle triangles and obtuse triangles today by just using set squares and a ruler. So starting with right angle triangles, these are those triangles having one side perpendicular to the other side or one angle being equal to 90 degrees. So the very first thing that we need to do is first let's draw a line. Let's take a pencil and ruler out and let's start with a basic line, right? So we got a line here and let's mark the endpoints as say BC. And let's also write down our steps so it's very clear in our heads. So the first step that we did was draw a line BC of any length. And now let's take a set square out and place it right on the vertex B. You can also do it on C, but I'm here doing it on B, so I'm placing my set square on the vertex B. And as you can see, the set square is already perpendicular. This itself is perpendicular to our original line. So we have to place a set square such that this part of the set square is perpendicular to our original line. So we have placed it like that, and as you can see, this is perpendicular, this is a sign of perpendicular. So this shows that it's 90 degrees, and now all we have to do is trace a line upwards so that the required line is perpendicular to the original line, right? And let's get out a pencil and let's start the tracing. No shoddy work here. So we got a line upwards, and now let's write the step. Let's take this vertex as A. So we have A vertex here, and let's write down the step, placing set square on one vertex, say B, and trace a line upwards which is perpendicular to original line, right? And let's take our set square out to see it. So as you can see, this constructed line is exactly perpendicular to our original line, and this is our perpendicular. So now all that is left to do is connect this vertex with this vertex to get a third side. So let's do that. Let's take out a pencil and ruler again. And let's make this line, yep, that is made. So our third and final step would be to just connect the vertices. So join the endpoint of perpendicular line with the other vertex of original line. This is the other vertex. And once we're done with all that, this is exactly what a right angle triangle is. So congratulations, we have constructed a perfect right angle triangle. Now let's talk about obtuse triangles. So an obtuse triangle is when one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So right now we made a side which was exactly 90 degrees to the original line that we have. Now we're making a triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So let's start again by drawing a line. So taking out a pencil and scale, we have to draw a line. And let's write down the step. So draw a line BC of any length. We have marked that points as BC. And let's again take out a set square and see, at least first identify where the 90 degrees is, right? So taking out a set square, and we get this as 90 degrees. As we saw, this is the set square 90 degrees that it will give, right? So now the new line that we have to make, the new side that we have to make, should be somewhere around here on this area, because it has to be greater than 90 degrees. So let's take any point here and draw a line to B. So let's take any point here, say somewhere here, and we draw it from B. So we get something like this. And let's mark this point as A. And as you can see, that this angle right here would be greater than 90 degrees because this is 90 degrees, whereas this is greater than 90 degrees. So we have angle is greater than 90 degrees. And if it's greater than 90 degrees, this means that this will become an obtuse triangle because we've got one side whose angle is greater than 90 degrees, right? So this is one side. This is the original base. Now all we need to do is connect the other remaining vertices. Before that, let's just write down the steps so it's clear in our heads. And let's get all the mess out here. So place set square on one vertex. We placed it to identify what 90 degrees was, understand what 90 degree is, and make a line such that its angle with BC, we saw it here and we constructed a line here, is more than 90 degrees, which we saw that this angle is greater than 90 degrees. Now all we need to do is connect this vertex with this vertex and complete our third side. So let's again take out our scale and pencil and draw a neat line right here connecting A. So that is it. That becomes our third side. And this becomes our obtuse triangle ABC. And let's write down the third step. So we have to join the endpoint of constructed line, which was this, and that is A, with the other vertex, which is C of original line. So that's it, and this becomes our perfectly obtuse triangle. So that's all for today. Thank you.